I'm going nowhere lately. It's hard to stay sober when all I want and all I need is you. Tomorrow, if I see you at the show, dear, you know the look of true fear in my eyes if words don't materialize. I pinned that luck up on falling stars, set my love up in total cards. Next time I'll get it right. Remember last December when we braved through the wildest weather just so we could finally be alone. Now left to my own devices, I cling to the worst of vices, all in search of some kind of home. I tell myself it doesn't matter anymore. I was just some kid picking candy off the floor. And next time I'll get it right. Up on falling stars, set my love up in total cards. Next time I'll get it right. Lady, I'm going nowhere lately. It's hard to stay sober when all I want and all I need is you. Tomorrow, if I see you at the show, dear, you know the look of true fear in my eyes. Words don't materialize. I pinned that luck up on falling stars, set my love up in total cards. Next time I'll get it right. Remember last December when we
your wings in the sky tonight. I'm sitting on a rock and watching heron fly. Feet in the water, out away. It has been such a beautiful day. A beautiful which way your body will go. No heaven or hell below, to live forever. And when you figure it out, you take a good look around. Every sight and sound the same, only better. Oh, I'm growing up fine, I'm only wasted. Oh, I'm growing up fine, I'm only wasting your time. I see myself at 18, confused by everything. I'm learning how I should sing to make you remember. But you get lost on the way, and everyone tries to say, hey man, you really should stay. But I'm gone in September. Growing up fine, I'm only wasted. Oh, I'm growing up fine, I'm only wasting your time. Oh, I'm growing up fine, I'm only wasted. Oh, I'm growing up fine, I'm only wasting your time. I'm wasting your time. I'm wasting.
I don't know where you are. You could be anywhere by now. Very far. Wandering by yourself, all alone. Being with somebody else that I don't know. Wondering where you are and why you don't call. Missing you